What's up guys, welcome back to 4x4 Jumpman. Today we're going to be talking about the PV120. This is a foldable solar panel from BLUETTI. So this solar panel is 120 watts and it's made up of monocrystalline solar cells with up to 23.4% efficiency. Solar panel is portable and also it's foldable, so you can fold it out like this. And it's also compatible with any solar generators as long as it's got MC4 connectors. So the height of this is about 533 millimeters and the width while it's folded is about 470 millimeters. So the width when it's open is about 1652 millimeters and the weight of this is 5.7 kilograms, which is pretty light. So the lamination used on this is called the ETFE, which is the ethylene tetrafluoroethylene. So the maximum voltage is 19.6 volts for these, and the current is 6.1 amps. So this uses a standard MC4 connector, and you'll get this MC4 connector that goes into the BLUETTI portable power station, which will connect to here when you need to charge it. So the solar panel is set to keep your portable power station topped up whenever there's sun available. So the solar panel is built with monocrystalline solar cells and it's got that 23.4% efficiency, so it can even charge with sunlight or even with bad weather. So the ETFE coating and the IP65 junction box is designed to keep it from scratch and water splashes, and it's perfect for camping, hiking and fishing. So the cable length is about 3 meters. It's also got a certification and also has 12 months warranty. So just looking at the materials they use, it's so durable and good quality. The handle feels firm as well, and also the zipper feels like a really good zipper. They also even use double stitching on the edges, and these clips are really good and durable. So even the Velcro, they feel really strong, and you can even adjust the height when you turn it. So even on the stand, it's got the angle. There's one that says 45 degrees, and you can also change it to different degrees that you like. I really like the design and the logo here, and they've even got the logo on the handle. And I also like the material, how it's grey, and of course I like the blue handle. Okay, let's talk about the benefits of having a solar panel. So you've got the sunlight out there and you just want energy. So solar panel can give you the energy that you need for your portable power station. So whenever there's sunlight, just take out the solar panel and charge up your portable power station. So the solar panel is a great investment long term, and so is the portable power station. It's going to save you a lot of money in the long run. So every day you're using electricity. You're charging your phone, you're using your appliances at home, you're charging your laptop, your camera battery, and that's using a lot of electricity. So when you're buying electricity from the grid, it can cost money. It can cost about $3 to $5 a day. So some days you're using a lot of electricity and it can go up to $10, especially when you're running your air conditioning or your washing machine or your dryer. So if you look at your electricity bill, every quarter sometimes you get a bill of $500 to $800. So depending on your electricity provider, some have apps. I'm with AGL and they have an app, and if you look into the app you can actually see how much you use per day or how much it costs for you per day. So most people will average from $3 to $5 per day on electricity. So for example, if it's $5 a day, you can times that by 30 days, which is almost a month, and that would cost $150 a month on just electricity bill. So if you times that by 12, you get $1,800 a year on electricity bill. So say if you buy a solar panel for $600 and a power portable station for $1,200, that will total $1,800. So let's say you've got the solar panel and you've charged your portable power station and you've been using your phone, camera battery, any appliances and charging it with this or running it with your portable power station, you can save up to $1 to $2 a day. So every time you use the free sunlight to charge your power station with a solar panel, you're saving at least $1 to $2 a day, and this could last at least 2 to 3 days. So some appliances you might not be able to run with this, like the air condition and say the fridge and the lights, so you still have to buy electricity from the grid anyway. So the $1 to $2 saving that you made from getting free sunlight energy to power up your power station, in about 2 to 3 years you've made back your money of about $1,800. So that literally just paid for your solar panel and your power station. So with this portable power station, this can last for 10 years, so it's even saving you a lot more money. It's even got 5 years warranty, and this one's got the 1 year warranty, but you can use free sunlight for at least 10 years to save a lot of money. So this is why a portable power station and a solar panel can benefit you every day, saving you thousands and thousands of dollars. So this is why having a solar panel and a portable power station, it's because you can save a lot of money by using free sunlight as energy. Since it's portable, it's useful for when you're going camping, caravanning, when you take it on your RV trips, and also home office or outdoor office. It's also useful for outdoor activities such as fishing, hiking, and other sports. So if you're thinking of buying one, I'll put the link down below, and this would help support the channel. So I'll be testing the PV120 and see its performance. So I'm facing the solar panel at a 45-degree angle towards the sun. I found the way to fold the panels is to fold the legs first, one by one, starting from the left and work your way towards the right. I'm connecting the MC4 onto the cable that's provided from the portable power station. The yellow end of the cable connects to the DC or PV input of the portable power station. The solar panel is currently drawing 93 to 94 watts from the energy of the sunlight. The portable power station is currently at 48% capacity. I can use the Bluetooth app to find out how many percentage and watts it's drawing also. On a really good day, it can draw up to 110 to 120 watts. I'm really happy with the performance of the solar panel. I definitely recommend the BLUETTI PV120 solar panel. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.